Hello and welcome to Lesson 1 of Building a Website with ChatGPT. In this lesson, we will introduce you to the exciting world of website development with ChatGPT. First, let's start with an overview of website development with ChatGPT. Websites are a crucial part of the digital landscape and are used for a variety of purposes such as e-commerce, social networking, and education. Website development involves designing, building, and maintaining websites, and ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in this process. Next, let's talk about the importance of websites in today's digital landscape. With more people accessing the internet than ever before, having a website has become essential for businesses and individuals alike. Websites allow you to reach a wider audience, establish your online presence, and communicate your message effectively. Now let's move on to the basic concepts of website development with ChatGPT. At its core, website development involves three key components: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the structure and content of a website, while CSS adds style and layout, and JavaScript adds interactivity and functionality. ChatGPT can be used to assist with each of these components, making website development more efficient and streamlined. In addition to these core components, website development with ChatGPT may also involve integrating conversational interfaces, optimizing for search engines, and ensuring accessibility and responsiveness for all users. In summary, website development with ChatGPT is an essential skill in today's digital landscape. By understanding the basic concepts of website development and the importance of websites, you'll be on your way to building your own website with the help of ChatGPT. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and how they work together to create websites.
I'll see you in the next class.